In this video, we're going to be talking about XRP and its recent price explosion. This, of course, correlating with what Bitcoin is doing. And Ripple has some big things that they are going to be teasing. I'm going to tell you what Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, is now talking about, and is it going to be big news, or is it going to be like the last big announcement that he had? And I'm going to tell you who now holds 45% of the XRP available. And I'm going to tell you who is buying billions, yes, billions of XRP just within the last month. Hey everybody, my name is Randy. Welcome back to the Late Night Grind. And right now on this channel, we are covering cryptocurrency news, investment markets, and personal finance. So if any or all these topics interest you, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the Late Night Grind community. And if you do a couple things, I'd appreciate it. Smash the thumbs up button and watch this video all the way to the end. Those really are the two best things you can do to support a YouTube channel. So if you do that, I greatly appreciate it. All right, guys, let's jump into it. So yes, unless you've been under a rock recently, you've been checking the price of Bitcoin, you've been checking the price of XRP because it has absolutely exploded. Now, it's not $589, but in the last week and a half, it's gone from 47 cents to touching 75 cents. As of the making of this video right now, is at about 66 to 67 cents. As it has pulled back, which is very healthy. After a huge explosion in price, largely due to what Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto markets are also doing, XRP has been one of the best performers in all of crypto. In fact, during this price explosion where a lot of cryptos are moving on up, XRP has actually outperformed Bitcoin by over 23% during this particular time frame. Now, I want to draw your attention to a few things I want to look at in terms of price, what some of the analysis is saying, and where XRP could be going. Dark Defender on X is one of my favorite XRP analysts. He is very accurate, not 100% of the time, but very good. I also follow several others, but nonetheless, he has been talking about some of the price targets that I've really been wanting to look at that don't necessarily have to do with what Bitcoin is doing in terms of a percentage price move. So as of right now, it's about 66 cents, which is a very key level because after it hit 74, 75 cents, it was going to pull back and hit approximately 66 and a half cents, or at least hold that level. That is a key Fibonacci retracement level. Well, so far it has held that, and the next move up, well, we could be seeing a little bit higher of a price target. Now, so right now he has a very short-term price target for XRP in the neighborhood of about 85 cents to $1.05. Now, if that is the case, if XRP hits $1, that is a very key psychological number. And it's part of the reason why people later in this video that I'm going to talk about are buying so much XRP. Now, he does have a few longer-term price targets that are a little bit higher in the neighborhood of $1.88 to $5.85. Why it's not $5.89, I don't know. But regardless, he has these as some of his longer-term price targets. And if that's the case, if XRP absolutely breaks through its all-time high, well, yeah, it could go right to $5 extremely quick. Now, if it does that, that's going to require probably Bitcoin breaking out of this bull flag that it's in and heading northwards up probably closer to $40,000, if not more. But Bitcoin is doing something that I want to keep an eye on. And that is right now, from a technical analysis standpoint, it's doing something called a bull flag, meaning it had a huge movement in its price up, and it's forming somewhat of a flag at the top of that big candle that it had formed last week. Now, what the concern is right now, Bitcoin's price has been bumping up against the bottom of that flag line rather than the top. And if you look at the RSI, it has a bearish divergence, which typically means you're going to see a breakdown of price, not a breakout of price where it goes north. However, some of the analysis that I've seen said if Bitcoin breaks out of that bull flag and actually heads south, it could be going to the 2168 in the Fibonacci retracement levels, which would bring it back to about 32,000. That's actually not bad, and it might only spend a little bit of time there. Now, some people are saying this RSI, the relative strength index, is pointing to a much lower number. Some people are still saying it's going to 25 or even possibly lower than 25 because later this fall and this winter, some people are expecting some not very good news economically, not just in the United States, but globally. And of course, if you're looking at price predictions, I've seen them all over the map. They're anywhere from $7 to $13, which I've seen quite a bit. And of course, now I'm saying $27, $85, and yes, over $225 for XRP. Let's just keep those in our back pocket. Okay, now let's talk about who is buying all of this XRP. And I'm talking billions of XRP. According to Sentiment, which is an on-chain analytics firm, They delve into the XRP ledger and basically digest what is going on, what do all these metrics mean, who's buying XRP. Well, right now there is a group of people that hold 45% of all XRP available, and no, it is not Ripple. And I'm talking about the whales, specifically, that hold anywhere from 100,000 XRP, the wallets, 100,000 XRP up to a billion XRP. They have been accumulating XRP at some of the fastest rate. In fact, just in the past month alone, they've accumulated more. They have accumulated more faster than at any other time. Why? Well, some of the analysis has to do with that $1 psychological level. A lot of people are believing that the whales buying all this XRP are eyeing that $1 psychological level that they believe XRP is going to hit in the short term. Now, that's something to be very careful of because they could be looking to flip a quick profit on it. And if it does hit $1, it could have a very sharp retracement very quickly back into the 80-cent range or possibly even lower. So it's just something to keep an eye on. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. What are some price targets for XRP and Bitcoin and the rest of the markets, because there's some that are absolutely crushing it as well. We have Matic, which has been climbing dramatically in the last couple of weeks, as well as Solana, which actually hit $48 before having a major pullback. I've been following that one. I've traded in and out of it several other times. Speaking of trading, if you are an active cryptocurrency trader and you are not on Fairdesk, you need to be. In fact, if you follow me on X, hit me up on the DMs, or you can go to my YouTube channel and go to the contact me page and email me. If you are an active trader, we can get you set up with some of the lowest trading rates, some of the lowest fees in all of cryptocurrency through Fairdesk. Now, full disclosure, Fairdesk is a partner of the Late Night Grind YouTube channel, but nonetheless, if you are not trading on there, you need to be, contact me. I've actually been talking with them and negotiating some much, much lower fees for active traders. So, like I said, link is in the description down below. Also, don't forget, you can follow me on X. We can have a conversation about this or any other topic on there. And there are many other pro XRP X users that I follow. I link them in the description down below as well. Don't forget, let me know in the comment section down below some price predictions that you have for XRP and for Bitcoin. And as we wait, some very important economic news out of the United States, specifically from Chairman Jerome Powell. We're going to be seeing if some of these potential rate pauses are actually priced in, because there's some other economic factors that are going on, especially globally, that could be very detrimental to the US dollar, which of course the pro-crypto crowd believes is a big-time gain if you're looking for price movements in the crypto market. All right, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end, for smashing that thumbs up button, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.